Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Auto Biography. Today video is comparison video in famous female porn star Romi Ran versus Cathy Havens. Let's go, video start now. Real name Romi Ran, then Cathy Havens. Profession model and adult actress, then adult model and actress. Date of birth 12th January 1988, then 28th July 1990. Nationality American, then Hungarian. Hometown Los Angeles, California, then Budapest, Hungarian. Birthplace Boston, Massachusetts, then Debrecen, Hungarian. Zodiac sign Libra, then Gemini. Religions Christian, then also Christian. Height 172 centimeter, then 170 centimeter. Weight 58 kg, then 58 kg. Bra size 33B, then 34D. Waist size 26 inch, then 24 inch. Hip size 32 inch, then 34 inch. Hair color black, then brown. Eye color brown, then brown. Hobby traveling and swimming, then music and traveling. Food habit non-veg, then also non-veg. Favorite color red, then pink and brown. Favorite sports football, then basketball. Favorite food burger, then pizza. Marriage status unmarried, then unmarried. Debut 2012 joined adult industry, then 2009 joined adult industry. Award 2014 Night Movie Fan Award for Best Ink, then 2012 Evian Award for Asian Performer of the Year. Education graduate, then also graduate. Total net worth 0.1 million USD approx, then 0.2 million USD approx. Total blue film 343 plus adult film, then 151 plus adult film. Thank you. Today video is over. Thanks for watching my videos, and also like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Autobiography. Thank you friends.